Alright, this is a Roomba 560. You can schedule it so that it runs automatically every day. Works really well on carpet and tile and all that stuff. Pretty much gets rid of the reason for having an upright. That's spot mode. This is just regular mode. You just hit clean. And there it goes. And it won't go over stairs or anything like that. It's pretty smart. It can sense all that. And when it's done, it automatically goes home to its base and docks itself and charges until the next time it's ready to run. And then it runs on its own. And it even avoids children, apparently. There it goes. Does a really good job.